Introducing the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, tires all season, keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner, lane keeping assist, keyless start, four-wheel drive. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.